If I could go through your soul train,
ผสมตัวแล้วเอาหอม
baby, give my
โอ
soul.
ปลาสมมือ
มันเอิ้นแล้วผสม
If I could go through your
ปล่อ
soul
ยกัน
train,
หอมแถวสีเขียวมานานแล้วนี่แหละ
เออ
I didn't hop on the train. Midnight lover, girl, you knew undercover. I can play my part in
บ้า
the
ดมเอามาโทร
from the
pull me
start.
over baby
Baby,
but don't pull me over I'm on my way I made up my mind
we meet again.
I hop on the ride oh
I
right
gotta go.
I decided to write it down on clothes and below. Hopefully, you open up my meeting for really. I believe in you. I'm so down, bone on my soul. Hey,
Time,
moment,
baby.
every time that
It is in my soul.
at the end of the
Put a
show.
fake lace.
Feel slow.
Great laces. When I spoke,
Sometimes
if they catch it as a
you like it
evidence,
fast.
they be like, what the fuck?
And that's girl. Why you
I'm
call
just in
me
my way,
when
baby.
เงินเจ้า
That's
คุณ
why
ใครโอนเงินให้เจ้า
I cut my hair and put it green. I just want to be just like you, black.
เอื้อยคอยส่งไปคนหนึ่ง
my ass
หัว
anyway.
หน้าประกัน
I be
ก็ออกมา
saying this shit all
แล้ว
the
ส่ง
time.
เงินมาให้
I'm
คอย
saying back.
โอนมาให้คอย
If I don't look like you, be like you, how the fuck I'm gonna get with you? I ain't scared. You can find me a little Asian
บ่
ก็เป็น
คอยบ่มีเงินเทื่อ
on the side.
บ่มีเงินพอเทื่อ
หน้า
อืม
Man, I'm through fucking with this shit.
ใครที่บ่เป็นก็คือจำเลยอะใครที่เป็นอยู่แล้วใครจะส่งให้
Anything about life.
แล้วรถไฟฟ้าคนที่สองคันก็ได้เอามา
Ready, cook.
ดูงานบ้าน
What's poppin'?
Shit, hey.
Man, I thought I hear a sound. Is somebody outside? Man, I'm out here. 100 degrees, something. Lots cooking rice and pot is hot. Iced out, lights out. Wet. I ain't fall off yet. You can bet your money on the pot. I'ma lay it down, girl, lay it down like a spot. Try to do just like you, dog.
I wanna be like you. I
Ain't
wanna
that
be
about
like
it,
you. How you do that there? Like, you
Oh,
know.
shit, not
What kind of
again.
interpretation would you say?
Oh
baby?
my god.
Which one down? I can hear.
Damn, god
What
damn.
kind of money you talking
That
about?
hoe,
Like
man.
on the gold chain. Who done hit the brick?
What you talking about?
How many amount?
Call me the Mac,
Baby chain, baby.
Mac
Are
Daddy.
you on some?
What's up?
Oh, you
Call me
both
Small
that
Daddy. I
feel.
call
I'm just
myself
saying,
anywhere I want
You
to.
answer me back. Why you in the test you want to say one thing, say one word, and say we done? But I hit you with a quarter of a brick. You couldn't wear this shit off the ounce in your ear, baby. I'm bouncing.
มีคอยอัดเรามีกล้องให้ใส่สองสั้นมีภาพกล้องแล้วก็มีมามันค้ากันชาดาวภาพ
If I
ว่า
have a baby,
ชาดาวon the head ภาพวิตามินสเกอร์อีสิโนและท่าจีน
homie.
I'm not just feeling for the night feeling for balloon up in the pipeline pull it out
Oh,
push it hold it out
Dog,
pop it drop it smoke it out lock it out nigga get in nigga we ain't worried about shit getting that getting in my nigga God damn, none of the niggas up. Yeah, I'm about to top it up. Nigga, go ahead. Go top it up and roll that up. Nigga, it's about time. Nigga, got no waste. I got paper to chase. You be too many years. Now I gotta keep up with the pace. Take it. How you wanna be known about the struggle? It's only the beginning of discussion. I knock them down by the dozen. Power punk with the method. Keep it in perspective. Leaving.
Wow.
Lick that part of gutless in the cutlass.
Shit, so
Nevertheless, if you wanna be in that post, guess what? I'ma rock this bitch, fella, pimpin', show. Make that out of a hole, out of two hoes, and an open door on the cash. I didn't heard at last, let me bypass on the nigga, his partner ain't fucking with his heart, cause he ain't got no spark, nigga. Give me a nigga a tray. I rather keep my mouth shut. Man, go ahead, man. It's my turn. But, shit, I just asked Trey. Gone, ask the ashes. Trey, big Trey.
Oh, me.
Knock the door.
Know me.
Nigga on the solid. What's up, my nigga?
Don't kind of nothing.
Coming up with the violence. God damn, nigga. That ain't stopping you. Young nigga, what you do? Keep it reppin' your side, nigga. Let it hit the nigga up. If he time to ride, nigga. But making that arm in the star. Don't cry the soul. Hey, why not leave the bitch like choke? If you like to see my dick all hanging out with the balls about, bitch aiming out with her eye. That bitch don't think, she don't even blink. She call nigga a 10, and now I'm up in the sink. Then I bust with love, then I wipe it clean. Bitch in your dream, we just never see the scene. In the motherfucking clothesline pant leg with the mattress so young. Yeah, deliver. Bitch squat down, she was like, what the kind of pound on the budget? Fuck it, eat the ass cutlass, buttless and all. She wanna do it all up in the camera. La nigga, people up in the game. Let them see my dog, what kind of shit to aim. Let the nigga on the frame when the aim on tight. I might let a nigga see my name, just them tight. Lay flaws for the cause. I'm the motherfucking boss. Cock your bitches off like a butterfinger. If you know the linger, finger in your pussy when you suck your dick. Baggy when the water come in your throat when you shoot that shot. Then at the same time, my shit drop it like a hot on the spot, nigga. On the dot and the pot, shit get thicker. The motherfucking water, give it holler holy on the holy water, on the holy shit. I go think about every time when I broke that hole. Give it a blow, off a show for toe to toe, nigga. Let a nigga know what you all about. You ain't gotta see me though when I hear you peeping, nigga. I'm still sleeping with my ears sound. I'm got the radar, nigga, like you still. Maybe I might let you milk. Talk about all I got it. Buy it off the stove, nigga, just for show. Eat like all the shit, nigga, grab that shit for the cash. Nigga want that ass, nigga. Bypass my heart, but never hope to die. But when I do, nigga, that's the day I got no choice but to ride a G, rip it, wipe it, make it wet, nigga. Young kitty the cat on the motherfucking chat line, and the bitch my fine. She wanna see my line on the camera. God damn, fuck a hammer. Did you fuck that cut? And she think about the butt. Never keep it hush on the auto. Fully throttle, see the bitch hit me up on the main line. She call me up on another line.
Come back again with the same man. Goddamn man, this shit is hot. Put the pot on the pot and you
Okay.
bring them all.